this year for our Devoted conference. So ladies, if you want to get in quick with the early bird discount, then make sure that you book in before the end of July. So you can sign up via our website or via Church Suite. So make sure you head to those sites and get signed up ready for October.
The voice of heaven, a Father reaching out. Hallelujah, Christ is risen. I'm forgiven out of darkness.
On Sunday the 4th of July we'll be having a baptismal service. So if you're a Christian and aren't yet baptised, get in touch with us because we'd love to see you baptised on this day.
Spoken, my shame is in the ground. Eternal freedom, the war is over now. He said,
it's nearly time for our next cohort for the Bereavement Journey course. So if you've suffered loss or you know someone who has, why not invite them along to take part of this course online for 6 weeks? You don't even have to leave your home, so it's something that's really easy to get involved in and that could really help you or someone you know. So have a look on our website for more details.
Christ is risen, I'm forgiven out of darkness. You have called me, I believe now I am a child of God.
So don't forget, it's prayer and Bible study this Wednesday at 7:30, so make sure you join us online for that. And that's all for Excel News, so if you'd like any more information, head to our new branded website or get us on social media and have a great week.